It's Patrick at Pals. Well, this is where a lot of the magic happens. These chrome strips, or stainless steel strips, go to the Dodge, the 48 Dodge, and they all have to be reworked a little bit. You can see, it's tough to see even with a good camera, but they're dull and they've got swirl marks in them. There's a dent over here. And that's what Jim's doing with the piece he's got. He's already had steel wool on it. Okay.
This had big scratches and scrapes across the bottom. I had to knock some of the dents out and file them and sand them down, and then in different coats all the way down to like 3000 grit, and then I polish them up. And
so what you've got on it right now is a white diamond metal polish.
Yeah, just the metal polish. We're on the finishing stages.
And I'm looking at your punch over here, and your punch has been rounded off so that it doesn't mar the metal. Everything you've got has got a soft edge on it. If you've got stainless steel and you need it polished and turned out correctly, bring it to Pals. See you soon.